Okay, we put our smoothage in there nice and tight. We're just gonna get our pad set up. We're gonna measure for our carpet. We got 12.5 exact, but you know what? We're gonna do 13 on this one. Just the last one was a little tight, so let's cut a 13-inch, and we're gonna try a 13-inch piece out. All right, we've got our 13-inch piece. Let's give it a go on the bottom stair. See how we do. So we've got the pile facing down, nothing changes. We're gonna center our carpet. Four and a quarter. Now we're gonna staple underneath. Pre-form our nose so our staples don't pop out, or at least have a better chance of getting in there. All right, here we go. We'll pop one in the middle, one or two, and then we'll work our way all the way to the left, feeling with our thumb underneath on the carpet against the baseboard. We don't want a gap, so we're pushing it against that riser all the way along, holding it in place. And then we want to put a staple all the way down. Make sure not to rock too hard into your riser, because remember, we're not covering them. We don't want to scratch them. Okay, we're gonna work our way all the way from the middle. All the way to the end, feel underneath, make sure we're doing good. Okay, now we're gonna stretch it in. Tighten that up. All right, we know we got too much there. I'm gonna take a little bit, I'm gonna cut a little bit off, and we're gonna fine tune until we get our measurements, which could be around, this was 13, we might be 12 3/4, could be perfect for us. So let's take a 1/4 inch off here and see how we do. This is a risky business, because if we're short, we gotta rip the whole stair off and start again. I say after this one, we should have it fine tuned to about 12 3/4. Okay, we're running staples all the way down the side, splitting the pile of the Berber when we can. And then we just want to bring that edge in a little bit so it looks invisible. We will put some glue there later, but that's that one done. See, that was a little tighter in there and worked out pretty good. This one's fine, and that one is fine, and there's 3 done. I'm gonna do the rest, and we'll do it in time lapse for you.